Hello and Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is very famous drink which is from Pune, India. It's really famous. It's called Mango Mastani, and there is a true story behind it. Some people said that drink was first introduced for Mastani, Bajira Mastani. They made it for her. And some people said when they drink their milkshake, and they said the milkshake drink is so must, so that's how it converted to Mango Mastani. By the way guys, you can make any Mastani that you would like. You can make chocolate Mastani, strawberry Mastani, blueberry Mastani. That's all in the same process. So let's get started. So here I take 2 cups of mango chunks. You can take like 2 fresh mangoes or frozen mango. I'm gonna use my homemade vanilla ice cream. And I need 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup milk, and 1 So guys, it's really jhatpat recipe. If you want to serve it for your guest, or if you're a mango lover, you can have it anytime. So first, I'm gonna add my 2 cups mango chunks. Now I'm gonna add my 1 cup milk, 3 tablespoons sugar. Now I will add 3 scoop vanilla ice cream, or you can use 4 scoop, but I'm gonna use 3. Yummy. Simply I'm gonna blend this. So now it's assemble time. So I'm gonna put the mango chunks first. It's vanilla ice cream. If you would like, you can use mango ice cream. Sometimes I made it with Mitchell's mango ice cream and it's so delicious. Now I'm gonna add my prepared milkshake, mango milkshake. So this recipe is good for 2 big glasses. As you can see, my all milkshake is done.